Hello everyone, let's dive into the Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 switches. These are the latest offering from Gateron, and they're making waves in the mechanical keyboard community. These are a tactile switch, designed for those who love a noticeable bump with each key press. The Baby Kangaroo 2.0s come as 5-pin switches, increasing stability when mounted on your PCB. Gateron has factory pre-lubed these switches, and the feel is incredibly smooth right out of the box. No need to spend hours lubing these yourself. They're designed with high-quality components, promising a lifespan of around 80 million keystrokes. So, these switches are built to last. These switches use a dual-stage spring with an actuation force of 59 GF. This results in a heavier tactile feel, which some users will absolutely love. The tactile bump is quite pronounced, giving excellent feedback with each keystroke. The materials used in these switches are POM, PC, and nylon. This combination of materials contributes to the switch's smooth feel and durability. The switches are also designed with RGB LED compatibility in mind, allowing the light to shine through. These switches are normally open and use a plug-in connector type with solder terminals for circuit connection and are designed for surface mounting. The actuator type is tactile, matching the switch type. Overall, the Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 switches are a solid choice for anyone looking for a premium tactile experience. The factory lubing, durable construction, and pronounced tactile bump make them a standout option in the crowded mechanical keyboard switch market. If you enjoy a heavier, more tactile feel, these might be your new favorite switches.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.